Before we jump in, don't miss BTCC's YouTube exclusive reward. Get a 10% rebate on your first deposit. That's free money just for depositing. Links in the description. Now, let's start the video. What if checking in, trading, and depositing could give you a shot at winning gold bars, crypto rewards, and even an iPhone? BTCC's Daily Lucky Draw campaign is here, and this is your chance to spin for exciting prizes, including a 20-gram gold bar, 2 ETH, 500 USDT, AFA co-branded footballs, iPhone 17 Pro, and USDT rewards from 5 USDT all the way up to 200 USDT. Here's how it works. First, check in during the campaign period and complete the required number of trading days to earn points. Trade for a total of 3 days and get 10 points. Trade for 5 days and get another 10 points. Reach 10 trading days and earn 20 points. Trade for 17 days and get another 20 points. And if you trade for 25 days, you'll receive 30 points. The more consistent you are, the more points you collect. Want to boost your luck even more? Make deposits during the campaign to earn extra points. Deposit a total of 1,000 USDT and get 10 points. Deposit 3,000 USDT and get another 10 points. Deposit 5,000 USDT and receive 10 more points. And with a total deposit of 10,000 USDT, you unlock 20 points. Every 10 points equals 1 lucky spin. That means the more you trade, deposit, and check in, the more chances you get to win. From gold bars and ETH to footballs, cash rewards, and premium tech, the prize pool is packed with rewards you do not want to miss. Join the BTCC Daily Lucky Draw campaign today. Collect points, spin the wheel, and see what reward is waiting for you. Start now on BTCC.